Good morning. Today we are going to learn about the magnetic effects of electric current. Part 1. Here the diagram represents a bar magnet and these are the north and the south poles of the magnet. Magnetic field. This diagram represents the magnetic field lines. Around a magnet, the magnetic field lines move from north pole of the magnet to south pole. The region around a magnet where its magnetic influence can be experienced is called a magnetic field. The direction and strength of a magnetic field are represented by magnetic lines of force. Magnetic field lines. You can clearly see here that the magnetic field lines outside a bar magnet goes from north to south and inside the bar magnet it goes from south to north. Magnet's magnetic field lines result in the formation of continuous running closed loops. The tangent to the field line at any given point indicates the direction of the total magnetic field at that point. The greater the number of field lines crossing per unit area, the higher the intensity, the stronger the magnitude of the magnetic field. There is no intersection between the magnetic field lines. Characteristics of field lines. Magnetic field lines form a closed loop. No two magnetic field lines can never intersect each other. Relative strength of magnetic field inferred from magnetic field lines. Now we are going to learn about the right hand thumb rule. If a straight conductor is held in a right hand in such a way that the thumb points along the direction of the current and the tips of the finger or the curl of the finger shows the direction of magnetic field around it. In this diagram you can clearly see that the thumb points outward, which is the direction of current, and if you'll curl your fingers you'd get the magnetic field, the direction of magnetic field. Magnetic field due to a current through a circular loop. The right hand thumb rule can be used for a circular conducting wire as well as it comprises of small straight segments. Every point on the wire carrying current give rises to a magnetic field that appears as straight line at the center. Here you can clearly see that it is a circular loop and the magnetic field lines are going from north to south. Now, magnetic field due to current in a solenoid. What is a solenoid? A solenoid is a coil of many circular windings wrapped in a shape of a cylinder. When current is passed through it, it behaves similar to a bar magnet, producing a very similar field pattern as of a bar magnet. To increase the strength, a soft iron core is used. Here is a diagram representing a solenoid in which circular turns are made to insert force on a current carrying conductor in a magnetic field. Now we are going to learn about Andre Mere Ampere's experiment. He says that when an electric conductor is placed in a magnetic field, it experiences a force. This force is directly proportional to the current and also perpendicular to its length and magnetic field. Here is a diagram representing the activity which is given in the NCERT books. Force on a straight current carrying conductor placed in a magnetic field. Force on a straight current carrying conductor is mutually perpendicular to the magnetic field and the direction of the current. That's it for today. Thank you. इसके बाद भी था क्या? तो बंद हो गया।